Alright, here's my audience. Alright, my name is DeShaw, and this is my persuasive speech on John Deere AMS products and service. For all you farmers out there that are looking for the most dependable and affordable GPS equipment out there, I have the solution for you. Today I'm going to take the time with you to share my knowledge and understanding of the AMS products that we carry and try to get your attention to make you move to the John Deere equipment. Here at John Deere we have many types of GPS equipment that you can choose from to fit your pocketbook. First we are going to talk about the two types of receivers that we have. Next we will move on to the displays that we have for you and use, and last but not least we will cover the management practices that we have for our customers. Just to give you a little background, AMS stands for Agriculture Management Solutions. First off, we're going to talk about the receivers that we offer. We have two different receivers that we have. They are the ITC receiver and the 3000 receiver. Now the receiver is mounted on top of the combine, tractor, or sprayer so that you can get a corrected position in the field. First off is the ITC receiver. It is the oldest of the two receivers. It has a TCM inside to help with the driving in the hills, and TCM stands for Terrain Compensation Module. It mounts on the front of the cab on all combine, sprayers, and tractors. It can either be in a ITC shroud or a deluxe shroud, which is for the 3000. Next is the 3000 receiver. It is the newest receiver that we offer. It also has a TCM inside. It has better view of the sky, giving you a better picture for satellites, giving you a better accuracy in the field. And it also uses the deluxe shroud to mount on top of the cabs. Next, we're going to move on to the displays that we offer. We have two that are the 2630 display and the 2600 display. And we also have the original Greenstar GSD4, which is the brown box display. First, we're going to talk about the 2600. It is the middle-aged display. It is ISOBUS compatible, meaning you can work with a Kinsey planner and it will put the Kinsey interface onto your display. It also uses a multi-compact flash drive to store all your data so you can input it into Apex on your computer. The next display we're going to talk about, which is the newest display, is the 2630 display. Like I said, it's the newest. It is also ISOBUS compatible. It stores your data on a USB stick instead of a compact flash for easier transferring to a computer. And it also works with video. You can tie into the CAN bus system, which is the wiring harnesses on your implement. And you can view, for like a sprayer, you can view the back of the booms for easy seeing when you're spraying. Next we have the original Greenstar display. It is the oldest display that we have and doesn't have as many functions. It's not a touch screen like the other two displays, and it has keypads that you use. It is used mainly for auto steering. Your tillage equipment is not recommended to use while you are planting. We usually have the 2630 or 2600 display. Next, we're going to move on to some management practices that we have. First one that we have is swath control, and this is used during planting or spraying. It helps to save input cost and not have to worry about having overlap, meaning if you have point rows, it will automatically shut off your sections as you cross the rows, saving you spray on the end rows that you've already hit so you don't over apply. It also saves you seed input cost by not over applying your seed in areas that you already have it applied. Next is Field Connect. This is used mainly in our irrigated systems where we have pivots and stuff like that. It reads and interpolates the water your field has and relays that into JD Link, where we can see how much water your field has, how much phosphorus, potassium, nitrogen it has, what stage your corn is in, what the ground temperature is, and all that kind of thing. So you need to see also your growing degree days. Next, we're going to move into the Raven Sidekick Direct Inject for all your 49, 40, 48, 30 sprayers that you have out there. Those sprayers, the Raven Sidekick tees directly into your line, giving you just the chemical that you need into the sprayer. It only applies what you want and when you need it. It's no need to rinse the tank because you're putting your chemical into the direct inject instead of into the tank, so no more cleaning of the tank. And you can reuse your chemical. Instead of putting it in and diluting it with water, you have to spray the rest of it off and use it. Now you can take it right out of the direct inject and stick it right into the container it came out of and reuse your product, saving time and money by not having to rinse your sprayer or waste the chemical. Next, we have Apex, which is our software that we use. It is a moderate software, I guess you could say. We mainly use it with the data from planting, spraying, and those kind of things to make management decisions for the rest of the year. Now that we have went over some of the aspects and the products that we have provided, like our state-of-the-art displays and receivers, our enhanced management practices to make you as the farmer less stressed, and our state-of-the-art services that we provide. I hope that this will give you an insight into what our products are like and continue to be our valid customers. And here's my audience again.